What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and test this subwoofer. It's a 5-inch subwoofer. You can see that 5-inch speaker woofer. It says woofer, but it's a subwoofer. Anyway, we're gonna test it, the frequency range, so to be sure about that. So let's just open it up. There it is. It's a raised brand home entertainment system. It's a local brand, but it's quite good. So you can see it's 5-inch 4 ohms, max 50 watt. Price is not mentioned there, but I got it for 180 rupees. Yep, so let's check this out. This is the offer, and here it says 4 ohms, if you can see that, and 45 watt. It says subwoofer, and it looks good. You can see that. And now we're gonna test the sound and also the frequency to be sure about this. I'm not gonna solder it now because in case if I need to replace it. So and now I'm gonna connect this to my 2.1 amplifier, which you have seen before with the MOSFET subwoofer and the SDK chipset stereo kit. I'm gonna connect this to the SDK chipset because that thing doesn't have any low pass filter or any bus treble kit, so it will be easier. That's just a straight amplifier that just will amplify the audio signal. That's it. So we can clearly understand the frequency that will come from the PC. So let's connect it. Okay, it's connected to the amp and my PC. I can show you all together. So let's just focus on the speaker. Alright, now let's check the frequency. I can see that this is an online tone generator, and it will start from 440 Hertz. That's the default. And first we'll go to the higher level, the high frequency, then we'll go back to the lows, and we'll see how much highs it can take and how much lows it can take. So we'll start from here. It's 440 hertz. Yeah, if you heard that well, that was 2900 hertz, almost like that. Till that the sound was okay, and after that the level reduced. So that means that's the higher range of this woofer. It can take till 2900 hertz, almost like that. And we stop at 2552 if you want to hear it again. That's 2916 hertz. And if I go above that, then you can hear the noise is reducing. And then 7000 hertz, and then 11,000 hertz, you can hear nothing, I think. So let's get back to 440 hertz. Yeah, it's 445 hertz. So that's the mid-range woofer, I think, that can take up to 2900 hertz. And now we'll go down from here. Let's start from let's say 150. Okay, this is 151. You can hear it's vibrating so much. And now we'll go down. It's 98 hertz. You can see the cone is moving. This is 80 hertz. Hope you can see the vibration in it. And it will go down 68 hertz, 62 hertz, 52 hertz. It's vibrating so much, but still there is a humming noise. So that means it can take up to 52. And if you go below that, then you cannot hear the humming noise, which is reducing now, but the cone movement is increasing. You can see massive cone movement. And if we go to 10 hertz, there is nothing, just cone movement. You can see that. So that's it. It can take up to 50 hertz. Not 50, you can say 55. 55, 56, that's okay. You can hear the humming noise and also the cone movement. So yeah, it's a mid to low frequency transducer. So you can use it as a subwoofer, as this is made for that purpose only, for replacement subwoofer. And but I'm gonna use this as a mid-range woofer because I'm gonna make new satellite channels. So I'm gonna use this one. So that's it, guys. This was the video of this 5-inch subwoofer from Race, and it cost me 180 rupees. It's pretty cheap and but nice one. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.